India's Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar met his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi in New Delhi today and stated that the ties with China are not normal at present. This was the first high-level meeting after the border clash between the two countries in Galwan in June 2020. The India-China military standoff in eastern Ladakh and the geopolitical situation arising out of Russia's invasion of Ukraine were figured out during the talks. We met for about 3 hours and addressed a broad, substantive agenda in an open and candid manner. We discussed our bilateral relations that have been disturbed as a result of Chinese actions in April 2020, Jaishankar said after the meeting. He also admitted that India and China ties are not normal and still a work in progress. Current situation is a work in progress, obviously at a slower pace than desirable. This needs to be taken forward since completion of disengagement at LAC is necessary for disengagement. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar was quoted as saying, "Both the sides agreed on the importance of early and complete disengagement in remaining areas to allow bilateral ties to take the natural course." Ahead of his talks with Jaishankar, Wang also met National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. Doval pressed Wang on Friday for an early and complete disengagement of troops in Ladakh, sources revealed. Both sides also agreed on the importance of an immediate ceasefire in Ukraine. The Indian side is unlikely to shift focus from the eastern Ladakh row. It is expected to press for complete disengagement of troops from all friction points in the region for resumption of normal bilateral ties.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.